Hello, and today on this Bigego Makes, we made Oobleck, which something I have to say is make sure you use those thick like cleaning gloves, not the sterile gloves, the big like what some people use for dishes or hardcore cleaning in the bathroom or whatever, those big thick gloves, because mine and Austin's hands were stained beyond belief. Like, it was nuts how blue our hands were. We were like Smurfs. And yeah, so anyways, I'll let you guys get back to the video. By the way, this is filmed before the when everything was opened up again, before the third or second lockdown, or third or fourth, I mean, lockdown where we live. So, and we were both tested negative at the time. I still am testing negative every day. Um, so, yeah, so we played it safe. We knew we both didn't have it. We didn't. We did the extended advanced tests and everything, so that we could hang out together and whatever. So, enjoy the video, and we'll see you guys right away.
Fuck those three are yours.
Okay. Hello, everybody, and welcome to a new video. And welcome back to Bigego Makes. This time, Austin's gonna take the reins. He's making Oobleck, and then I'm gonna play around with it too. Yeah, you're making Oobleck.
Why am I cooking?
Cause you need something to do, or else you just run away on me.
Don't I do that normally?
So there's the ingredients we need. So a cup of water, 2 cups of cornstarch, and then a shit ton of blue food coloring, because Oobleck is normally blue, and let's see if you can make it. So I can read this to you if you need. My writing's crap.
It's better than mine.
You're probably right. I've seen your
Because
writing.
I can read that.
Now we're mixing it all in this bowl. So water first.
Fucking slappy.
I'll open up this because I haven't even opened it yet. Ah!
Here. Give it here.
There we go.
Fucking dumbass.
You're right. This is why I'm getting you to do
You have
this.
any? I'll ask you later.
Oh.
About the games. Yeah,
Alright.
there, because there's a couple.
So,
there's actually a couple in there.
2 cups of this. That's expensive, so be careful with it.
I'm doing it over the fucking sink. Oh, fuck. And it exploded everywhere. Good enough.
Lemon candle link down below. This is channel. And responsible by Rogue Energy. Use my code and my
Does this
address. What? No, it doesn't stain. Calm down. And my and then the address to get, what is it, 10%? Michael. No, Michael's on any of these. Shit. Whatever it says down below. Yeah, next. You have to actually use your hands for this, by the way.
Why?
Did you already put this in?
No! I'm asking why I have to mix with my fucking hands when I don't fucking want to.
Yes, put this in because or else it's not going to be blue. There. Watch out, your hands are going to also get stained. This is why he's doing it.
Oh, because you just personally hate me, that's why?
I love you, buddy.
You know this is gonna get stuck to the bottom of the bowl.
That's where you have to.
Explain to me again why I'm doing this?
And the pranks begin again. Your hand's already dyed blue, so just keep going.
So you want to tell me why I'm doing this again before I dump this on your head?
You're not gonna dump it on my head. No. It's gonna stain my clothes.
That's the point, asshole.
This is a $200 pair of sweatpants. I'm already full of cornstarch. I'll be mixing the green one. How about that? So that my hands are dyed green and your hands are dyed blue.
Go move my mouse.
Fine, I will move your mouse.
So how much am I supposed to start until there's basically nothing?
So slimy.
Because there's nothing here.
Is it?
Yeah, basically what I know. Okay, stop.
Supposed to be a little bit.
Okay, yeah, now there we go.
Yeah. By the way, see Venus? See penis. He doesn't actually get hurt down there anymore. I've done the things too many times.
Should I tell you my work experiences at some point?
Sure.
I had someone at work slap me in the balls, and oh boy.
Yeah, you can say that here. I don't care. It's hard for me to get hurt down there too. Someone has to hit me so fucking hard. Yeah, there we go. We're getting close.
Just taking a fucking bit.
That reminds me of Oobleck. It's very like.
It just dissolves.
Yeah, it's very, very hard slime.
Hard slime that just dissolves when you push it down.
Yeah. Leave a like if you want us to buy an above ground pool and fill it with this shit.
No.
Years. We'll jump in it too.
No. I'm saying no to this plan already because I don't like it.
It's probably gonna be really relaxing. Because it's kind of like what they use in.
I honestly don't know when to stop mixing.
Well, I'm just letting you just keep going. But I'm gonna have to do a lot of blurring then, because we're not gonna stain our clothes. So, yeah. And then if we leave it for a while, it's going to turn back to, liquid or whatever. I don't know.
So then it's just a one-time thing.
No, you have to keep working it, and then it gets great again. But it's everything we do is a one-time thing right now. Because where am I going to store it?
In the trash can.
You're right. Or down
No, don't put this down the drain. It will get stuck in the drain.
in the sewer, not in the drain.
Do you want Unijet Sorry, that company working on the sewer lines out here? Although I'm pretty sure Diddy would do it.
I put worse things down there. Nice.
Oh, there it goes on the floor. Right there.
Great.
Okay, can I stop?
Yeah.
Because it is.
I guess
One
it's
first
my
of it.
turn.
You may want to catch the bowl. No. I want to see. Put your hand like under here.
Over here.
Because it's like hard. You see what I mean? I can hold it in the air for like a couple seconds.
Oh. You're trying to do tricks with it. Go wash up. Try to get it
Can
all.
you turn on the sink for me?
Yeah. Good old hot water. I just assume we take it off. I don't know anything.
Walk to the sink
Oh.
with the bowl.
Oh.
Okay.
trying to be a dick. Oh yeah, this definitely feels like Oobleck. So yeah, it's a little bit too
You have
watery.
soap at all for this?
A little bit too watery, but
You got soap at all?
under the sink. Are you okay to do? I already got my hands on full. Don't touch any of the towels, please.
I probably want soap so I can get this shit off.
So, yeah, it's a little bit too watery, but otherwise, yeah, I like this. This will be fun to. I mean, it'll be hard. It might be. Although it's loosening, it's really loose when it's falling, but very wet when sitting. So I will probably just end up walking on top of it if we do.
You have soap.
Under the sink. As long as you don't stain the cabinets. I got yelled at for doing this with food coloring already. I'll show you that text later. So, yeah, this is pretty interesting. So, yeah, check out Austin's link down below. I'm pretty sure it's in the gaming because Michael, I told you to put that there.
Michael's not editing.
But Michael might be watching, maybe. I assume he's also the manager. Hopefully I can upload this. I think I can. I've been uploading videos by myself here. So, yeah, this is going to be very fun to clean up. And very, very hard to wash this bowl. And this is literally falling. So, I'm going to scrape off my hands. Hopefully Austin's done soon so he can pause the video or stop the video. Or is it that hard?
Hands are still blue.
They're going to be blue. We did this to ourselves.
Yeah, you let me do it to myself first.
Look at how bad mine are! I hope that doesn't stain them.
I scoop.
No, I don't want that.
No, I was doing it in case.